Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. Ray food channel. So in today's recipe we are going to show you how to make a very tasty, quick and easy condensed milk cake. But this cake is different from the one I already have on my channel because this one requires only 5 ingredients and it is so tasty, especially with ice cream, a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So if you are interested in knowing how to prepare this simple cake, please keep on watching and we'll see you next time. Let's get started. So to make this easy cake, you need 3/4 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. It is also 96 grams if you prefer it in grams. You need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I repeat it, this is baking powder, not baking soda, which is different. You also need a 1/4 cup or 56 grams of softened butter. However, if you want to use margarine, you can also use it, but just make sure it is softened, not straight out of the fridge. Okay? The next important ingredient is the condensed milk. So add in 1 can of condensed milk. Make sure it is the right one because sometimes it is unsweetened. Okay? And now, last but not least, you need to add in 3 medium-sized eggs. Okay, so this is all you need to make this easy peasy condensed milk cake. Next step, we need to mix everything. So if you have a hand mixer like this one, please use it and it makes things even easier. But if you don't have it, do not bother. You can also use a hand whip. Okay, but as I said, it's always easier to mix a cake batter with a hand mixer. Okay, you can also use a stand mixer, but you know, sometimes it can make things a bit more difficult. Okay, but don't really worry about that. So the next thing is to cover a baking thing with flour and butter so that it doesn't stick on the baking thing. Next thing, pour the cake batter in the baking thing. Okay, and in the meantime, do not forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I believe in Fahrenheit it's 356. I'm not too sure about that, but I think it is. So this is it. And by the way, if you want to steam this cake, you can also steam it if you don't want to use the oven. This is also another method with the same cake batter. So once your oven says, hello, I'm ready, just put it in the middle rack of the oven and let it bake for between 30 and 45 minutes. If you want to know if your cake is ready, just take in a knife, and if the knife comes out clean, it means your cake is ready. If it doesn't, you need to bake it a bit more. So now our cake is ready, and look at this. I really love, the little crack in the middle, and it was smelling awesome in the kitchen, especially with the condensed milk. It's just fantastic. So what we did is that we let it cool off for some time, and then this is optional, but if you want to make it a bit nicer, or if you are a sweet tooth just like us, you can sprinkle it with some icing sugar, but this is optional. So now the best moment is cutting a slice of cake just for me. As you know, I'm the one privileged in this family now. Okay, so this is it. I am going to taste it. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. As you can see, I am going to enjoy myself. The yellow thing in the middle is a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So as I told you, it goes perfectly well with vanilla ice cream, or even banana ice cream, or any flavor you like. But this is awesome, and it is one of the cake you really need to try. Do not miss this recipe because you are going to love it and be addicted to it. As I said, this is a much easier version of the condensed milk cake that I have on my channel. Thank you, Mr. Drew, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.